The matriculated students came from the 15 departments of the Tech of Faculties of Education, Humanities, and Natural and Applied Sciences. Shortly after the matriculation and subsequent investiture, the university's Chancellor General Olusegun Obasanjo, who saluted the free girl child education in Jigawa State, described the university as an evidence of the total transformation witnessed in the state.
It was not done by miracle, but by the commitment
The Pro-Chancellor Professor Abubakar Rashid said the university as the place for natural growth and development needs to be handled by credible and competent hands. The founder, Governor Sulalamido, whose vision is to have a world-class university, said the Chancellor was chosen based on his credible credentials. Congratulating the students, the Vice Chancellor, Professor Abdullahi Yusuf Rubadu, charged them to be serious about their studies as all that is needed has been provided.
The Jigawa State government has put in place world-class facilities for the use of students and staff. It is indeed world-class that you can find anywhere in the world, and I urge you to protect, preserve it.
The Chancellor was earlier conducted round the university. From Dutse, Amin Umar, NTA News.